from Susia. First, we have to say Mazal Tov to Esther and Yaakov. We pray that the newborn will raise up in Israel, Bezat Hashem. And today we want to speak about a special day. The kids love it very much. We call it LagBeOmer, 33 in the Omer. Counting the Omer is a whole preparation from Pesach to Shavuot, and we have special days which are stations on the way before we receive the Torah in Shavuot. So we used to split these 50 days to two. The first 33 till LagBeOmer, this is one part, and the rest 17 days from LagBeOmer to Shavuot. In Hebrew, it is Lag, and then it's Tov. Tov means good. Tov, it's the 17 days that we have after LagBeOmer. And we know it's something is happening in this special day. What is happening? We learn in the Talmud that in the times of the Second Temple, while the Romans were here in Israel, our great Rabbi, Rabbi Akiva, he used to have thousands of students, and he lost all of them in the fight with the Romans in these days till LagBeOmer. Why? The Talmud answer, because of one reason: they didn't respect each other. That was the issue. So, as part of preparing to receiving the Torah, what we need to build is the love and respect one to each other. Therefore, we know from Rabbi Akiva that he realized that this is the situation, and he teaches us that one major rule in the Torah, this is the main issue of the Torah. As the Torah says, "Ve'ahavta lereacha kamucha." You should love your friend the same as you love yourself. He tried to teach it to his students and to the rest of the Jewish world, but he didn't succeed that time. We pray that in our time we will understand this more than anything else, that this is the major basic rule of the Torah. So they stopped to die in 33 of the Omer, and then was the change. After that, his student, a famous student, Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai, the son of Yochai, he taught us the secrets of the Torah. It's very famous, the book that published many years after that. We call it the Zohar. Zohar means the light of the Torah. And Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai, he used to live for years in a cave because he had to run to escape from the Romans. So he spent 13 years with his son, and they were learning the oral Torah, and they discovered the secrets of the Torah. Later on, they had a group of people beside them, next to them, and they were teaching one each other. They call it a chavura, means a small community. They all learned from Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai, that he learned it from his rabbi, Rabbi Akiva, the secrets of the Torah. Actually, they were learning the Torah of Eretz Israel. They were learning Torah like the prophecy. They knew, Rabbi Akiva and later on Rabbi Shimon, they knew that it's going to be the last years that Jews can live in Israel. They felt that the Romans are covering the land and Jewish life cannot exist anymore, and therefore he used to say, Rabbi Shimon, if there will be people that they will learn the oral Torah and they will keep the secrets of the spirit of the Torah of Eretz Israel, they will say it one to each other, only in the beginning small groups, but when the time will come, the Torah will spread, these ideas will spread all over the world, and from that energy we can go back to the land. And as we see, almost 1600 years later only, these ideas, these thoughts became in the public, as we know, as the Hasidut in Ashkenaz, in Europe, and the rabbis on Sfarad, in the North Africa. They start to teach the public the ideas of Rabbi Shimon bar Yochai, and from that energy we came back to the land. Therefore, we are celebrating LagBeOmer with a big fire of Rabbi Shimon bar Yochai, especially in Meron. People used to go there, thousands of people, to light the fire of LagBeOmer. And of course, the kids, they want to feel also the energy of the Torah by lighting the fires near their house. LagBeOmer Sameach.